Welcome to another episode of the Health Doctor podcast. And no, this isn't the Halloween special. There's a saying that goes, to understand lightness, you must first know darkness. In other words, before we can truly move toward the light, we must first explore the dark, so that we recognize it and choose never to return there. Today we'll be venturing into the dark side of the wellness industry. As we all know, the world runs on money, and the health industry is no exception. I could easily make this a long and heavy discussion, but I'll keep it focused. My goal is not to depress you, but to open your eyes. I would like you to see the rabbit hole just enough for you to see what lies beneath the surface, and to understand why change is needed. As always, I'll tell it like it is. The medical machine doesn't want healthy people. It thrives on keeping populations moderately unwell, sick enough to need constant treatments, tests, surgeries, doctor and specialist consultations and prescriptions. This cycle sustains an enormous system built around profit, not wellness. Many of my clients find this shocking. They believe the system's main goal is to make us healthy and happy. Sadly, that's not the case. The billions flowing through this industry are carefully protected, just like in any other profit-driven enterprise. So, what's the alternative? It's empowerment. To step into the light by educating yourself with knowledge, wisdom, and discernment. Because let's be honest, it's gotten out of hand. We're being manipulated by the food industry to consume what I call Frankenstein foods. Products engineered in labs and stocked on supermarket shelves, designed not to nourish but to hook us. We are kept as loyal consumers, feeding both the food and the healthcare industries. But I, for one, refuse to play that game. I have rebel blood in my veins, and I will not bow to an industry that profits from sickness and submission. Much of what we eat today should not even exist. These lab-created foods are meticulously designed to create addiction. In truth, doctor visits should be rare, and hospitals should be few. A friend once put it perfectly. The problem with today's world is that we have big hospitals and small stools. When the body is given the right conditions, it can heal itself. An ancient wisdom still holds true. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. That's my mission, to guide you through the dense forest of misinformation, to help you see what changes you should make over time, and which ones immediately. And that's it for today's episode. I hope my words have shed a little light on your path to true well-being. As always, I wish you radiant health, clarity, and peace. And when you're ready for deeper guidance, you know where to find me. Thank you.